Let's discuss coil replacements on a GM 4.2 liter. And so you can see we've got our new coil here. It comes with a new boot and a new gasket and even a new bolt. And so in this particular vehicle, we're going to replace the number 3 ignition coil. Now this starts with numbering, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 all the way to the back. So I've already gone ahead and removed our air cleaner assembly here. And now I'm going to take a 90-degree pick and release the locking tab on this electrical connector right here in order to get this locking piece out. With the locking tab removed, I can press the connector here and pull it out of the way, set it off to the side. Now I'm going to take a ratchet, or in this case an electric impact, with a 10mm socket and remove the hold down bolt. Now, with the hold down bolt loose, we remove our old coil. And it's good to inspect this, make sure that there's no coolant or oil intrusion down here. If this might be full of oil, it's time to replace the valve cover gasket as well. However, everything looks good and sealed up here. And so we're going to go ahead and replace the spark plug before we install our new coil. Once our new spark plug is installed and torqued down properly, we're going to take our new coil and we'll thread it in by hand here, get it started, ensure that we don't have a cross thread, and then we'll take our socket with a ratchet, tighten this down, plug it in, and we're all set. We've just repaired our misfire.